When slip and fall claims are made originally, whether by the individual or through a lawyer, oftentimes they can be denied by the insurance company. And the reasons for that are numerous. One is that slip and fall accidents, oftentimes, because they carry a lot of defenses, are just rejected or denied as a knee-jerk reaction, just no, regardless of the circumstance. Sometimes they're denied because there's no evidence that a fall occurred. There was no report made. Sometimes they're denied because there's no evidence of what caused them to fall. The accident itself, the condition was not preserved by a photograph. Sometimes they're denied because there's no significant injury in the fall as they see it. Sometimes they're denied because the property owner says, yes, there may have been a defect, but we had no reason to believe it was there. That is, it wasn't there long enough for us to have been placed on notice of it. Notice meaning that it's something that the property owner knew or should have known. If it's something that the property owner should have discovered by normal inspection procedures, which they're required to do, then there still is fault, even if the property owner didn't know of it. But then the question arises, how long did that defect exist? Did it exist long enough for the property owner to be able to see it? And that's where the art of lawyering comes in. By the nature of the defect, exactly all the circumstances of what it is, you can oftentimes circumstantially establish how long it was likely to be there. Depending on the property owner has a duty to go out and find defects, but not those that just occurred. For instance, sometimes a slip and fall, say for snow and ice, occurs immediately after the snow and ice occurred, or it happened during the course of snow or during the course of ice falling from the sky. Those cases are more difficult because the law follows common sense. What could the property owner have done? They're more difficult, not impossible. The property owner should take the precaution if they know the weather's coming to be able to salt the area. But those are some of the main reasons why, in the first instance, it may be denied. Of course, that's not the end of the story, especially if you have a lawyer. If you've been hurt in a slip and fall accident, call our office. We'd love to help.